Diego, you say, what is the initial step to take if I suspect my product was miscategorized? Should I check the competitor listing, browse node? If your product was like miscategorized, what you need to focus on is like, miscategorized. I guess it's in a different category, I guess, right? If you are in a different category, the first thing first, go on and check where is your competitors. What is your new competitors comes in where they are exist as well. They don't know what they're doing, but I'm talking about Amazon automatically assigned to the closed category. You can also check if the new competitor is then getting more ranking on certain keywords actually. If you see that, you can also put your plus there. If you're miscategorized, definitely check your browse node. If the browse node is aligned with your category, like in the front end data, and GL product app is the most important thing what you need to check it out. Anonymous, any good demo for a product opinion? I'm struggling with a different option inside testing video. We're gonna do a webinar with Matt. I'm gonna post it up about that. We're gonna do a webinar with Matt, and also we have a webinar coming up with like IntelliV. You're probably gonna understand more about on the product opinion pooling side of it. When I have the Matt call, I can able to add you in the WhatsApp. You can able to get that. How are you pulling this backend data? Is there some software? As I given you right now, it's like a one link that gives like a little bit of more information. But most of the times, what we do is like we go into inspect. Okay, let me show you this. I think that's better to show you. So when it comes to this, you'll able to see this is the browse node, and this is the category. This mismatch could happen as well. The browse node category could also be a big mismatch. Rich gauge, yeah. At this point, it's good. So when you right click here and you go inside, you can able to find out like here. You could go and then find out GL underscore. Yeah, here they are in pets. So it has to be matched with this actually completely. Sometimes this one get messed up. And if you can put display underscore on. Okay, here you go. The product definition is like animal cage. Your group ID is like a pet product completely. That's a display on website completely. So yeah, with this data, you can able to automatically able to say, okay, you can able to find out that what is the competitor information and how you can able to have that one, those information easy. Okay, Diego, well, I realized that the two of my main parent products aren't aligned on the same GL. That's my bestseller. That's explained a lot. See, here's another information, guys. If your product is selling good, I will not touch that product with all the backend data. You keep a note of it. When the issue comes, that's the first place you need to go and then fix it. Here's why. Amazon algorithm, there is like a 6 elements there actually. The formulas: your browse node, your product type score, your item type score, your relevancy score, keyword relevancy score, your sales, and ratings and reviews. Those are the 7 elements what's most important with respect to if you want to rank keyword. Whereas like a higher rating is, it's for the sales. The sales has like a 40% advantage, all of the stuff completely, all of the attributes. If the sales is down, that's where all other attributes are comes in place to equalize your keyword performance. So once your sales is good, you're good. You don't have to try anything, change anything at this point. But if you see your keyword is dropping, you cannot rank for certain keywords, certain group of keywords, certain semantic keywords, then you go on and check it. But do it one at a time. If you're checking GL, change the GL alone. If you're changing the DOW, change the DOW alone. Checking the performance of what's happening. There's a lot of mess happen during that time period. As Brian mentioned, there is a main category and subcategory. My product is in the subcategory under the same main category as the bestseller listing. How can I change it to a subcategory? So your product is assigned to a main category, which is like a root node.
You definitely don't want that.
You don't want that one actually. Very, very, very. Your product needs to be in the leaf node, not a branch node, not anything else. If you're like a root node and he's still selling good, I question you selling good. First of all, if you're selling good,
he's not selling well on that one. No, but then that's kind of wondering where we're trying to determine why he's not gaining traction on that one. But I was not aware of that. So yeah. Sorry, let's touch base on that one.
Yeah. Hit me up separately. Send me a screenshot in the WhatsApp or something. I can able to take a look at it and then I can tell you what exactly you have to do on that one.